You're looking at the waterfront. Every detail right where it should be. Welcome to the InterContinental Hotel in downtown San Diego. The terrace at Vistal Restaurant features breakfast, lunch, and dinner. There is a Mastro's Ocean Club on the ground floor, and rooftop Seneca Trattoria features Italian dishes in an alfresco setting. The hotel features 400 guest rooms across 18 floors, including 24 suites. All rooms have floor-to-ceiling windows, and most rooms enjoy partial views of the bay and city. Club InterContinental rooms, like this one, are located on the top floor. This cozy sanctuary reveals sweeping panoramic city views with glimpses of the bay, all from a spacious corner room dressed in chic, refined decor. Complete with the perfect daybed, it invites you to sit back, unwind, and take in the beauty of San Diego. Looking east is the historic Santa Fe Depot. It opened in 1915 and is in operation to this day. It plays host to Amtrak, Coaster, and the San Diego Trolley. To the south is the Coronado Bay Bridge. A short distance north of the hotel is Lindbergh Field, San Diego's international airport. The buildings with red-tiled rooftops is the Marine Corps Recruiting Depot. If you live west of the Mississippi River and enlisted into the Marines, I'm sure this brings back fond memories. Nearly 500 flights arrive and depart from a single runway every day, and it is the busiest of its kind in the United States. Are you beginning to feel that this hotel is perfectly situated in terms of nearby transportation? The answer is yes. Cruise ships depart directly across the street. The king bed was exceptionally comfortable. I slept like a baby. Bedside are dual lamps with individual reading lights. And that TV? It's on a swivel that is adjustable to your preference. This is the Curated Honor Bar featuring premium snacks, spirits, and refreshments. Scan the QR code for details. While coffee and tea are complimentary, this mini fridge is available upon request. A thoughtfully curated vanity kit featuring cotton swabs, pads, and personal care essentials. Here's a tip on shower caps. Wrap them around the bottom of your footwear in your luggage. The shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel are thoughtfully selected, each offering a lovely fragrance. And the hot water pressure is plentiful and refreshing. Inside this closet is an extra blanket and pillow, iron and ironing board, shoehorn and laundry bags. Slip your shoes on here and let this view set the tone. Privacy and housekeeping controls. Deadbolt and security lock. So what do you think? Would you stay here? Leave a note in the comments how the InterContinental San Diego factors into your travel plans.